My trane furnace flashed 2 times and the code reads system lockout no flame check line polarity. The furnace was lighting and heating for a while, then the flames went wee and started blowing clod air. Can I repair myself or do I need tech?
You may have a cracked igniter. You need to take it out and see if you see a crack in it.
I took out the igniter and it was a little carbon dusted but kept lighting funace. I reset furnace and it is now blowing hot air, but will probably shut off in an hour or so and we will wake up freezing like we have the last 3 nights.
Is your filter clean?
Yes, filter is clean. I change every 3 months and did put new one in 3 days ago.
It sounds as if it is going on high limit. Once it goes out at night, does it come back on or does it fall to lockout? Could be the flame sensor is dirty or perhaps it is your control board. Take the sensor out and clean it with emery cloth or a piece of Scotch-Brite. It is near the last burner and looks like a thick needle. Held in with a 5/16 of an inch headed screw. How long does the furnace usually stay on after it starts?
At night it stays on and while we're sleeping the burners go out, and when we get cold enough I go down and flick the switch off and then it starts up again, and while we're at work it shuts off again. I cleaned the flame sensor yesterday with emery cloth. I had the cover off and handheld the switch and it went off 3 times, then locked me out, 2 flashes, and said check line polarity. What does that mean?
It means your voltage is backwards. Your hot wire is going to the common side of the circuit. But that makes no sense since it works sometime. On an electrical circuit, the black wire is normally the hot side and the white is normally the neutral or return side. Has anyone messed with the wiring lately? If not, I am leaning toward a bad control board.
No one has touched the wiring at all. The heat has been coming out strong since we started this session. I have to go to bed since I get up at 3:30 a.m. I will keep this open and try to get you more info.
Okay. It could be that something is burnt in the board giving that reading.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.